Hey guys, I thought I would just sit down for a few minutes and let's just have a wig chat. Yes, I'm wearing a wig. I am a wig wearer. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name's Eileen and I have a stray hair here. It's driving me crazy. There we go. I am a avid wig wearer and I'm a breast cancer survivor. That's how my wig journey started. And I am here to help you get comfortable wearing wigs and get to know them and just offer encouragement more than anything else. You know, today I was thinking, I'm a wig reviewer. I am very fortunate to review wigs for Wig Studio One, and I've been with them for years. And I was thinking today, I did some wig reviews this morning, and I was just thinking about my wig journey. And I connect with so many ladies who are either struggling finding a wig or just beginning their own journey. And you know, I started this whole wig reviewing and talking about wigs. I would have never dreamed all these years this is what I would have been doing. You know, I was forced into wigs. I'm a breast cancer survivor. I lost my hair to chemo. I had to get a wig. And I just want to encourage you, if you're going down a road where you're having to wear a wig, to give yourself a little grace. You know, I was speaking to a lady and she was just so trying to get her feet on the ground with it, trying to, you know, get comfortable with it. She was asking me, how do you get comfortable wearing them? It doesn't happen overnight. It doesn't. It takes a while. It is something, let's be honest, this is not your real hair. It's something on your head. You have to get used to it. You have to get used to seeing yourself in it. You know, for me, my bio hair is fine and thin. I was born with the most fine, thin hair, and it would literally take me an hour in the morning to try to do something with my hair, only to have it fall flat by the time I got to the office. And, you know, you have to understand when you get a wig and you put it on, most people, the first thing they think is, oh, that's too much hair. That's a lot of hair. It's because you're not used to seeing yourself like that. So I always say, take it slow. Wear it to the grocery store. Wear it on errands. Wear it around the house. Kind of get used to it a little bit. That's how I started. When I knew I was going to lose my hair, I got my wig and I wore it around just for a very short time, a couple of days, and then I shaved my head because I knew I was going to lose my hair. And for my personal self, I'd rather lose it to my own hand. So I shaved my head. That is not something I recommend. It is not that was my journey. Everyone's is different. And so again, allow yourself a little grace. You know, it's hard. It is hard in the beginning, but you will get there. Take your time. Find a wig. I always say, try to find something, if you can, that is as close to your bio hair as you can find. Now, I keep my bio hair buzzed very short. If you follow me on any other platforms, you see every time I buzz my hair, I show it. And I wear it that way. I wear it out like that a lot. I'll put on some big fun earrings and wear my hair, you know, my short buzz cut bio hair. I love it like that. I will never grow my hair back out. It came back just as bad as it was before I lost it. So I will never grow my hair back out. Why? I can throw on a great wig and literally in 30 seconds, I'm out the door. So for me, again, I'm only speaking from my personal experience, and I respect everyone's opinion. Everyone's journey is different. And I think that is the main thing we have to understand. It's all different for everyone. What I experience is not what you're going to experience. It is a very personal journey. It's a very different journey for everyone. And there's no wrong or right way. It's just your way and how you are comfortable and how you want to go forward with it. So don't feel the pressure to do anything. Do it your way and what feels right to you. When I first started, it was short pixie, blonde pixies. That was it. That was my comfort zone. And I stayed in it for a long time. But after, I was nervous. Not only was I just nervous because I was going through cancer, I was nervous that, okay, now I've got to wear a wig. What are my coworkers going to think? I'm in healthcare. I'm in the office. I'm in the hospital. What are they going to think? I had the most supportive co-workers. We had already worked together for years and years and knew each other well, so they were so supportive, and I think that made my personal journey a little bit easier, and my home, my family was so supportive. I understand not everyone has that support too. So again, allow yourself some grace and some time to get used to this journey. I, like I said, started with short pixie cuts, and after I wore wigs and I was finished with my cancer journey and I still knew I would never go back to my bio hair, I started kicking around the idea of, I want to help other women who have walked this walk. How can I help them that are just beginning this? How can I help them? And it took me a long time to get up enough nerve to start my channel. And I did. And still short pixie cuts. That's what I was reviewing. And I still love them to this day. I have lots of them and I love them. But I, like I said, was fortunate enough to get with Wig Studio One and start reviewing for them. And I started stepping out of my box a little. I got some bobs. Oh, such a big deal. I was so nervous about it. I got a little longer bob, and okay, all right. So I wore those for a while, and I started doing this. Then I started maybe doing a little strawberry blonde, had a little red in it. And before you know it, if you've watched my videos and you know anything about me, I wear every color, every style, every shape under the sun now. I never wear the same color or style wig 2 days in a row. I change my hair every day. I like to match it with what I'm wearing. I love the reds, I love the blondes, I love the brunettes, I love them all. I would have never thought that, you would have never convinced me I would ever wear a bright red wig, but now I love it, love it. And if someone says, I love your hair, I'm always like, well, thank you, it's a wig. And that starts a conversation. That is me, that is certainly not you. That is not to say everyone should do what I do. You, again, do what you're comfortable with. Some women do not want anyone to know they're wearing a wig. I have all the respect in the world for that, because that is their journey and how they are comfortable. I can only speak for what I do and how I'm comfortable. I like to talk about it to women because many times they'll say, oh gosh, I need a wig. How do I get started? It's just a way of me starting a conversation about something that is very close to me. So I just am here to support you. If you have any questions, please let me know. There are so many different styles. There are low density styles like this. There are styles that I love big hair. I have some that are curly. I love them all. But again, that's my journey. But I would love to help you. If you have questions, please let me know. If I can help you in any way, please go over to my platform. I have over 1,300 wig reviews I've done. I can't even believe that. That's so hard to believe. But it is my passion. It's what I do. It's what I love. And I will be doing that as long as I can. I will always review wigs. I love it that much. And there's something new coming out all the time, different styles, different shapes, different colors. It's just a whole, once you get into it and you love it and you start enjoying it, it's a whole new world that opens up of possibilities of hair. So I'm just here for that, to help. If I can help you in any way, please let me know. If just reach out to me and I'm happy to help you however I can. Don't be discouraged if you're new. I just want to offer you encouragement. Don't be discouraged. It will come in time. Sometimes you have to try a lot of wigs before you find the one. And it's not an inexpensive journey either. So please don't think it's lost on me. I totally understand that. This is not, wigs are not inexpensive anymore. They aren't. So I like to keep that in mind too. There are, like I said, I'm with Wig Studio One. They have wonderful open box items over there. Most of the wigs I purchase from open box. I love them, and they run some wonderful sales on them there. There's just ways to get it without breaking the bank. But sometimes you gotta try several before you say, okay, this is it. For me, when I put on Raquel Watch Upstage, I thought, this is the hair I wish I was born with. And I still feel that way. I love that wig and have it in 5 colors, I think, maybe more. And it is just a wig, a style that I feel comfortable in, that I know anytime I put that on, it's gonna work. And you will find that too. It may take you a while, but you will find that hair. But now, like I said, it's every day something different. I put on this blonde this morning because I was wearing this blue for some wig reviews. And this afternoon, I'll probably have on a pixie, who knows. Again, I'm here to help you if you need me. If you just need someone to talk to about wigs, let me know. I'm here to encourage you, to support you, to let you know this can be a wonderful, fun journey. But I know it takes a while to get there. Okay, guys, talk to you soon.